Hey guys, it's Yaya. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be revamping a classic of mine that I did maybe 5 years ago, and that's the avocado and coconut milk deep conditioner or slash hair mask. I'm also going to be adding a few extra ingredients that I didn't add before, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so the first ingredient that I'm adding that I didn't add before is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has numerous properties and benefits for hair and scalp, especially if you're dealing with itchy, dry, flaky scalp or any kind of irritation. Aloe vera is just perfect for any kind of skin issues that you might have. It's also very hydrating for your strand, so you just cannot go wrong with aloe vera. So I will be including this whole leaf in this mixture. There is no right or wrong way to cut aloe vera, but you just want to make sure that you take as much of the leaf off as possible. We will be blending this, but you still do not want any of that residue stuck in your hair. So make sure you get as much of that removed from your gel as possible. The next ingredient is the avocado. Of course, you guys, I've been using avocados since the beginning of my natural hair journey back in 2013. And one thing I discovered is that they are super moisturizing and they super hydrating for your strands. They just make them plump and juicy. There is really no way to go wrong with an avocado except for you don't want to heat it up, okay? Because avocado, the nutrients that's in there, you want to get all that good nutrients. So this deep conditioning hair mask that I'm making today, I'm going to make sure I keep the ingredients as pure as possible without adding any heat. This is the way I'm going to keep the nutrients and the integrity of the product. So I'm going to add the avocado and the aloe vera together and I'm going to blend them down. The reason I'm doing this is because aloe vera and avocado have little pieces in them that will get stuck in your hair for weeks. You do not want this to happen. You want to blend this down as smoothly as possible and then strain it. And if you have to strain it twice, strain it twice. So I definitely recommend that you blend it down and strain it. This is the part of the product that is just very crucial if you do not want those pieces stuck in your hair, okay? Okay, so the next few ingredients I will be adding is raw honey, coconut oil, and also some mango butter. Now, you're wondering, okay, how am I going to mix the honey and the oils together without heating them down? It's definitely possible. The issue is that there will be separation in the long run. But the thing about hair masks like this, you usually use it in one day, so you don't have to worry about keeping it long term or separation. And if you want to freeze it, that will also help you keep it longer. So what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to blend these items together, which is very hard to do because water and oil do not mix, okay? So but just keep working at it. You just want to get that mango butter, which is very pliable actually. Mango butter is one of those butters that once you mess with it and put it in your hands, it's going to melt right away. So you don't have to worry too much about that going ahead and breaking down. It's probably just going to take a little work. But as you can see here, I went on and added it to the avocado and aloe vera mixture. And then I used my immersion blender to go ahead and mix the rest of that in. So like I said, I did this without heat, you guys. It might take a little longer to do, but the reason I don't want to use heat is because I don't want to mess up the integrity of the avocado. And now I'm adding my coconut milk, which I did not show the can that I used, but it is coconut milk. You can get this at your local grocery store, and you can get it as organic as possible, whichever one you want, but just make sure you do not get the light version. The light version does not have the fats and the proteins that you need, so you want to make sure you get the regular coconut milk. All right, so the very last ingredient I'm adding is going to be the bamboo extract. This will be my first time using bamboo extract, and what I love about it is that you can use it as is, so you don't have to worry about heating it up to a certain temperature to add this to your product. What I also like about bamboo extract is that it almost acts like a little cleanser. It's going to remove that buildup of oils and all that stuff while you're deep conditioning with this hair mask, and then it's also going to add some shine and luster to your hair. So this is the perfect ingredient to add to make it the complete deep conditioner that you want for your hair. And that's it, you guys. Look at this amazing texture. Oh my god, I already know. I just already know it's gonna be lit. Just to be real, there's no way to get this beautiful texture if you heat up this product in any kind of way. Let's say you're trying to add BTMS 50 to this product to give it additional conditioning agents or whatever. Yeah, it's just not gonna work. I've tried it and it's just, the consistency is just not there. If you want to make it more of a deep conditioner, it's better just to use avocado extract or avocado oil to get that regular deep conditioner type feel, but this leans more towards a hair mask, but I did add properties to make it more of a deep conditioner. So I'm gonna put this remaining that I'm not gonna use into a jar, and I'm gonna freeze it, and it will last in the freezer for a good little while, so you don't have to worry about that. I did not add a preservative to this because I don't feel like I really need one. Like I said, I'm gonna be using most of this up right away, and then the other bit I'm going to put in the freezer to preserve it. So it's just not one of those products I feel like you need for a preservative for. All right guys, so this is how it came out. This is my revamped avocado and coconut milk deep conditioner. If you see my last video where I reviewed the deep conditioning cap, then you probably already seen me apply this to my hair, but I'm just gonna put this here so you guys can see a little bit more in depth just how this avocado coconut milk deep conditioner just literally melts into my hair. This was, I'm not gonna lie, the best deep conditioning I have ever had. I've never had a deep conditioner like soak into my strands so well before ever, and I don't know if it had more to do with the deep conditioning cap that I used, which you guys can go check out that video. I will leave the link down in the description box below, along with the list of ingredients and the measurements that I used to make this product. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I really enjoyed making this and revamping my old DIY. If there's any other old DIYs that I have done in the past that you guys would like to see me revamp and make, just let me know, and I would definitely do that for you guys. Alright, I think I'm done playing in my hair now. I really was obsessing with this, you guys. I just could not believe how my hair was looking and feeling. I really do think I owe this to the additional ingredients that I added to this revamped DIY avocado and coconut milk deep conditioner, and that would be the aloe vera gel, the bamboo extract, and I also added the mango butter. Those are not in original ingredients that I had in my previous mask that I used to use all the time. So I think those ingredients definitely boosted up by 1000%. Like, this is like perfect. Like, I just want to bottle it up and give it to you guys because, oh my god, it's awesome. The only issue I would probably have with trying to give this to you guys is that I wouldn't know how it would last during shipping. So yeah, that would probably be the biggest issue because avocado goes bad pretty fast. But like I said, these ingredients are extremely fresh and all natural, so I definitely don't think I would want to add any kind of preservative or anything, and I also don't think the preservative will be as effective. So yeah, just make sure that any leftovers that you have, that you freeze right away, because the avocado is not going to last in the refrigerator. Okay, but yeah, look at these curls, you guys. Oh my god, look how they are laying, look how defined they are and healthy, hydrated they are. That's one thing about me. I love hydration over moisturizing. You need both, but hydrating means that it definitely penetrated your strands and made your strands plump, stronger, healthier. That's what I look for in a deep conditioner, in a hair mask, in a shampoo. It doesn't matter what it is. I want hydration. That's the key to healthy hair. getting rid of split ends, making sure your scalp is healthy, and making sure your hair is strong and defined. That is what you need. You need hydration. Ooh wee, y'all, like seriously, do you see this? This is okay, so yeah, this is definitely a staple now, and I will be using this on a regular, okay? On a regular. I want to make sure I do this at least once a month. If I can get it in twice a month, I think I can definitely do that as well. I already have a whole nother application in the freezer waiting for me to use, so this was enough to make at least 2 batches. So yeah, you guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram, like this, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this revamped avocado and coconut milk deep conditioner, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.